Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I am going to be putting together a tutorial where I'll show you how to create video ads for social media without any experience. So when I mean social media, it could be Instagram, it could be Twitter, or it could be Facebook. And as you know, there's a demand for a lot of video ads, short video ads for these platforms. So first of all, if I go to um, my favorite freelancer site called Fiverr.com, I just want to show you the sort of demand that you can have, um, or the demand that there is for short video ads, and how you can create these video ads very quickly. So if I do a search on short video ads, you can see that we have quite a bunch of video ads here. So these are basically people that have put up gigs on Fiverr to sell short video ads to other people. As you can see, this person is starting at $95. This person $15, $35, $10. So there's a range, of course, but there's always room for somebody else. And if you know how to create video ads quickly, you can set up a gig right here and just optimize your gig, and you will get people who would demand your service. So what I would do is I'll go to my favorite video creation tool called Vidnami, and I'm just going to click on create video ads. And as you can see, we have different types of videos that we can create, and I'm just going to click on instant ad. The beauty about instant ads is there's not really much you need to do to be able to create video ads with this type of ads. Most of the work is already done for you. You probably just need to just add in your details, like your maybe email address or web address, and you'll be good to go. As at the time of recording this video, they have templates to do with Valentine's Day and Christmas Day, but you can always modify this template to suit your needs. So for instance, if I click on this one called 12 Roses, it's a flexible ad that can be used for any kind of sale on Valentine's Day. So if you want to do a Valentine's Day promotion, you can use this sort of ad. So if I just do click on it, with the template, you get a title, you get the scenes. Let me just come back to the script. You get a script. Get a script, and as you can see, it's got 4 scenes. And again, it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. You can customize this for any for Mother's Day, for any other important holiday where there's a good sale. So it's, and once you've gone through the scenes, all you need to do at the end is just put your email. You can just change this to your web address or to your client's web address, and you're good to go. So if I just going to say Valentine gifts or something like that. And then I can add the voice. You don't even need to add the voice per se because everything is done for you. You can just come here, preview the video, and normally it shouldn't take that much time. As you see, we're good to go. It's a 14-second video. If I do look good, and then generate the video, it will take a bit of time to do that. So our video is finished generating. So if I just do download, so our video is finished generating. I'm just going to download it, and then I'm just going to play it so that you can just have a feel of what a short video ad looks like. So there you go. And you can create this sort of videos without having to show your face, without having to use your voice. It's easy peasy. And you can even provide this as a service as well. So if I go back to Fiverr, most of the people offering services here are practically using a software like Vidnami to create these videos. There is one that I looked at earlier on, and I just wanted to mimic this sort of video. So what I did is I was able to create something similar using Vidnami, but also using a different actually use the content, and it's right here. So I'm just going to edit this and play the video for you. I have to regenerate this the scenes before I can do that. So just generate it. So basically what I'm trying to get to here is you can provide this sort of gigs as a service, or you can, or if you're a Facebook, if you run ads on Facebook, Twitter, or one of those services, sorry, one of those platforms, you can use this tool to generate your video ads real quick. It shouldn't take that long to generate, and they'll show you the effects, which is similar to what they were showing on this site, or the ad that I showed you, this ad. So the video is finished generating. Just gonna play it for you. Mine was just under. As you can see, it's very professional, and I was able to do this in less than 5 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. In tomorrow's video, as part of our tutorial series, I'll be showing you how to create videos for small businesses on a budget, even if you are a newbie. So with that said, thanks for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow.